Hi, I'm Nicholas Fredrickson and I'm a designer with a focus in hand lettering. I wanted to teach this class on Fiverr to help contribute to their mission and really building up the freelance community, but also just thinking back to my time when I was first learning lettering, there just weren't many resources out there, so I wanted to help people who are just getting started in this. I got my start in hand lettering back in 2011. I was still in school and I always found that I was really interested in typography, and I would create these interesting layouts and experiment with typography, and the more I wanted to push the boundaries of typography, the more I realized its limitations, and there would be situations where I thought, man, just if this letter was slightly different shaped, it might fit here better, and these kinds of things just led me to learn how to create the letters myself. That's obviously easier said than done, and it's taken a lot of practice, but that initial interest in typography really got me going on the right path. After about a year or so of being somewhat of a hobbyist with lettering, I knew I wanted to take it to the next level. So like any sane person, I quit my job and I set out on my own. And one of the first projects that I did was actually with a friend of mine, Aaron Pilley, and we did this project. It was a year-long project where every day we would hand letter a piece and post it to Instagram. And throughout the year, I started to gain more of a following, and some of that following was built up of potential clients. So I was actually having people reach out to me for work through what I was doing on Instagram. So that initial project of mine really helped kickstart my career. Over the years, I've learned a lot of valuable things about lettering, and one of those things is how important a logo is for the brand. So I kind of want to focus the class on this. I want to talk about some of the history of hand lettering and how it's commonly confused with calligraphy, and I want to show you how to talk with clients and concept sketches, and show you how to vector and how to use texture tools and all these things. And hopefully by the end of this class you'll have a solid foundation to work from. So let's get started.